Ciao beautiful people and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, welcome. Today I am so excited to showcase how I made these gorgeous staffed loaded envelopes full of gorgeous bits. I made using a digital kit from TaylorMade Journal by the lovely Lorna. So Lorna hasn't got a design team, so this is not a design team project, but we've been in contact and she's a lovely ladies. And I've decided to do some videos collaboration together, so showcasing her kit. So in just a second, I will show you all the digital kit first, and then I'll show you how I made all of this. Okay, let me show you the kit now. I mean, if you love these sort of pictures, like Victorian style, this is the kit for you, like I do. This is like, for me, it's like I am going to an ice cream shop and get all the ice creams that are in there. Really pretty. I mean, I'm not gonna comment on every page, but I'll show you all the different images that you get. And then you got the bigger version, and then you got all the small little embellishment that you can create a lot of different elements. And these sort of kits, they are amazing for junk journaling, of course, but also for card making, boxes making, all sort of paper craft projects. They're very versatile. It all depends what you want. I mean, you can fussy cut and create your own masterboard, you know, for your personal use, of course. You get little tags. Look at the little kids and their little childs. You got Father Christmas. Again, then you get different scales. So you got look how cute that is. Very pretty. Again, you got all these different embellishments. Really pretty. I will definitely be making some more Christmas card with those, because I love this sort of style. They will look nice on the like craft paper, maybe with some gold distress at the end, of course. Otherwise it wouldn't be me. Look at Father Christmas with all the toys. It's just a very good quality of pictures. The details is amazing, really good. Really good. Sorry, apologies if you hear anything in the background, but I've got the windows open because it's too hot today. I can't film with the window shut. I've got two more. Look at them. It's a fairy coat. Really pretty. And that is the end. Okay, now I'll show you how to make all these gorgeous goodies. Okay guys, for the envelope, this is a piece of 12 by 12. Let me see if I can put it, yeah, so you can see. I've not measured anything. I simply positioning like that, and then you decide how wide do you want your envelope to be, and I simply fold that inward and then score it with your bum folder, so make sure these lines are really nice and crisp. And then you fold the bottom one up, and then I just cut a little piece because that will be a pointer. Just chop that triangle. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to leave that open like that. I might cut the corner so it gets more like that, and then what I do, I'm going to glue that in there, and I'm basically fussy cutting all these pictures, and I'm gonna glue them on the outside of the envelope so it looks, you know, it's fully covered, but I'm still gonna leave some green through. So I was thinking something like that, and then all these little bits and pieces that go like that. You get the gist. You can do anything that you want, guys, but I'm going to fully decorate, and I will probably, I'm not sure if I do the back, because I suppose it's, yeah, I might just do the back as well. Yeah, I might just fully cover it, and I'll come back with you guys once it's done. Okay guys, let me show you the result. So that's the envelope. I decorated with all these beautiful pictures. I love that. It's very effective. Stockings. So that's the main envelope. Then I made some ephemeras using all the little bits and bobs that there was on the kit. So I made some little tags. I mean, this is, I just left it empty because the person that will get this happy mail will do anything that she wants. So I make some of that's the tag that you find on the kit, and I just used some, apologies on my finger, but I got glue everywhere. Some really nice turquoise and teal ribbon because I really like the sky on the background, and I put some bells and also links with that, which I'll show you in just a sec. Then that's the little postcard that you get on the kit, and I just put it on some really nice glossy pink paper, only because I want to get lots of texture and fabric and, you know, metal, all different finishing, and I think it just make it a bit more interesting. That's another card. Then I made this kind of like a card that you could put anywhere. Oops. You can put it even in your journal, you can do anything. But they were actually scraps, those little circle things, and just put some music notes paper and some of these images from the kit. And then I made these little notebook / journal. So you saw me making these tags on Monday, and I will put the link in here in case you guys have missed it. And then the front, it's got him, little boy that is playing with snowball, and then inside I've just used some of coffee and tea stained paper. So what I did, I stapled it in the middle, and I just put all this blue ribbon through, and then at the end I just attach the tassel. So again, I want this person to be able to get the tassel off and use it somewhere else, and use this as a Christmas journal or notebook. And that's the back with a little girl with a snowball. So what am I going to do? I'm going to put some tissue paper in there. The reason why I'm going to do it off camera, because the tissue paper is going to be so noisy and I'm going to make you deaf. So I'm going to put it all together, and I'll come back here once it's done. Okay, what you guys think? I actually added my beaded paper clip. It's huge. I've done a video again how to make those, and again I will put the link in here and also at the end of the video. Also, there is a playlist for all my Christmas in July videos, so go back in there and then you can see all this project. Yeah, that's it. I mean, it's huge, and it's literally staffed to capacity with lots of goodies. Right guys, I hope you liked it. If you did, don't forget to give me the usual big thumbs up, because that will support the video doing well and telling YouTube that you like what I make. Right guys, thank you so much for watching, and until next time, stay safe and well.